Good afternoon, everyone. Commissioner of Police, Mr. Anjani Kumar, Mr. Abhishek Sonthalia, Chairman, YIA Hyderabad, Mr. Sameer Goyal, Chairman, CII Telangana, Mr. Aditya Dev Guptu, MD of VST Industries, my colleagues from the City Police, Dr. Satyanarayana, our Medical Officer, HCHC from HCHC Piyush, Rajshekhar and Anandita, all officers and men. I welcome you all today for this momentous occasion for all of us. This district police office hospital which you see was constructed way back in 1939, much before any of us here were born. And an extension to this building was done in the year 1961. And today, after 60 years, we've got another extension to this building. And this has been possible because of the cooperation and contribution of CII, the CII Foundation, the CSR wing, and VST, who have contributed for making this dream come true for us. The CII is undoubtedly the oldest and the noblest collective, and is known to consistently bridge the gap between the industry and the policy makers. We are deeply appreciative of their decision to support this initiative of ours. This 10-bedded hospital was built in a period of less than a month. 10th of last month we started the work, and today 9th we are inaugurating it. And for this, I really need to thank Abhishek Nath of Exora and his team, who have worked 24/7 to ensure that this gets completed, and a facility which is almost compared to anything is being prepared today. Compared to somebody was just now talking about that it looks like a corporate facility. It is about 2,000 SFT facility and houses, besides the 10 beds, a laboratory, ECG, an X-ray facility which is in the nearby hospital, are all available here. And this, as I said, has been completed on a war footing by us. We are deeply committed in ensuring the sustenance of life and good health of all our officers and our families. And the hospital today, the inauguration of this facility, is one step towards this journey. The experts have been warning us of the impending third wave, and we need to gear up to meet that challenge. We already in the City Police have a full-fledged COVID support service center for all officers and family. We've also had tie-ups with various hospitals and labs to ensure that our personnel and their family get quick medical support in crisis situations, especially during this pandemic. Till recently, we were also operating an isolation center at Petla Bhuj for our families and our personnel who turned positive. However, with God's grace, we have closed it down now because of we don't have patients around, and we do hope that we will not need it again. Reminds me of one of the tagline of one of the corporate hospitals which says that we hope you never need us. In the police, we have been in the front line in dealing with this pandemic. As you're all aware, as police officers and personnel, we were never given any training in how to handle a pandemic. And when the pandemic struck, we found ourselves on the front line, and we did not flinch even for a moment, or there was no hesitation. All the personnel of the Telangana Police and Hyderabad City Police have worked day and night, not only to ensure the lockdown, but in the initial days we did all activity to support various departments, whether it was contact tracing, whether it was ensuring the supply of essential commodities, whether it was ensuring lodging and food for the migrants. Whatever you name it, we were there and we contributed to it. And we remember at the time when suddenly we were asked to deploy our people inside the COVID wards of Gandhi Hospital so as to provide the security there. And not for a moment did any of our staff flinch at being at such close proximity. We will continue to work for the citizens of Hyderabad, as every day brings new challenges. I am extremely grateful again to the CIA who have contributed and the other initiatives and the industry who always comes forward. A large number of other industries have also come forward to us, helping us in our COVID relief work during this pandemic. And I do hope that in the future, from the halls of this hospital, we are able to share with you positive stories of recovery and help to our personnel. Welcome all of you to this function. Thank you.
With the help of Hyderabad City Security Council and Confederation of Indian Industry, new facility was created in which additional beds and other facilities were added to the medical needs of the police hospital. The entire organization, right from the concept to the execution, was done by Additional Commissioner of Police Crime Shikha Goyal and the team, which also had people from the corporate world and from Hyderabad City Security Council. This is an addition to what we have already here, and Dr. Satyanarayan Reddy, who has been a permanent pillar for Hyderabad City Police for so many decades and has been taking care of the health of all the police officers, has been a great source of inspiration for this. On this occasion, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the donors who have made this facility become a reality. Thank you.